Welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. I'm Tracy and this is my kitchen. And this is where every week I bring you recipes that I make for my family of 5 right here in my own kitchen. And today we are going to be making Greek chicken pita wraps. And along with it we're going to make homemade tzatziki sauce. When we include as many whole, clean ingredients in our diet as possible, it makes us feel really great, and we can even lose weight when we do that. But it's better when we have things that are tasty and healthy. So that's my goal, is to bring you recipes that my family enjoys that are both tasty and healthy. So let's get cooking. We are making Greek chicken pita wraps today. Pita is one of these versatile things that I just love to use. You can stuff the pockets full, and that's what we're going to do today, full of all kinds of really yummy ingredients. This is one of those meals that is super easy to meal prep. You can make a big batch or you can make a little batch. So depending on if you want it to last you a couple days, just increase the recipe or make it smaller. We are using 3 chicken breasts for today. And all we're going to do to start off is boil the chicken breast on the stove for probably about 15-20 minutes. You want to keep looking at it until it's white all the way through. Okay, so while our chicken is boiling, we can go ahead and prep our veggies. We're going to use approximately about a half of red onion. Cucumber, we're going to dice that up. We got some olives we're going to slice and some cherry tomatoes that we're going to dice up. And then just put it all in the bowl. Okay, so our chicken is still boiling. We got all our veggies chopped up. So now we want to focus our attention on the tzatziki sauce. We got our Greek yogurt, we got fresh dill, a couple other seasonings, and we're going to use half of a lemon. All right, so now all we got to do is check our chicken. It should be just about done, and now we're going to shred it all up. Okay, so once our chicken is all nice and shredded, now we can mix it into our veggies and pour our tzatziki sauce in there and mix it all in together. All right, so our Greek chicken pita wraps are all done. It's got all that amazing Greek flavor in there with our olives and tomatoes and feta cheese and of course the lemon and dill in our tzatziki sauce. Super easy to make, just full of fresh, clean ingredients. And that pita is very versatile. We used it as wraps today. If you're looking for other ideas, check out my pita pizza videos. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time in the tasty yet healthy kitchen. Now I'm going to enjoy my Greek chicken pita wrap.